the projects for which particular political personality?
600 million pesos last 2023 from Senator Joel Villanueva.
This is way too low. Assistant District Engineer. Para namang, bakit naman pag-aaksayahan ko ito ng panahon? And then, ito nga po, lumabas bigla kahapon ang taong ito. And I'm not trying, Mr. President, na just to defend myself and hit this pawn, Mr. President. Kasi alam naman natin sinong may hawak dito. Kaya ang hiling ko po sa bulwagang ito, ang hiling ko rin sa ating Pangulo, alam ko na sincero po kayo. Alam ko po na masakit po sa inyo itong nangyayari. Pero klarong-klaro po sinong mastermind, Mr. President. Klarong-klaro po kung nasaan na si Dracula, kung bakit bumaba ang kanyang dugo kasi hindi na ho malaman kung saan tatago yung bilyon-bilyon o trilyon-trilyon sa labi. Hindi na alam kung saan kaya bumaba po yung dugo. At mismo si Dracula sinasabi hindi naman niya gagawin ito kung walang basbas ng amo niya. Sino ba ang amo niya, Mr. President? Sino ba ang naglagay sa kanya bilang tagapagbantay ng national budget? So yun lang po, Ginoong Pangulo, ang nais kong sabihin, Mr. President, binanggit po kahapon ng ating Senate President Chis Escudero yung mga pangalang hindi pwedeng banggitin noon. Pero ngayon, Mr. President, may ginagawa ang Diyos, buhay ang Diyos. Ito pong nangyayaring ito, alam po niya na ito'y maglilid sa katotohanan at ang katotohanan ang magpapalaya sa atin. Uulitin ko po, Mr. President, hindi lang po categorically denying yung binabatong putik sa atin at para dumihan ang ating pangalan. May resibo po tayo, madaling beripikahin. Tayo po ay more than willing mag-undergo at sumali sa anumang investigasyon sapagkat wala po tayong tinatago. Ngunit ang hiling ko, Mr. President, atin pong alamin at siguruhin na may ebidensya yung ating mga sinasabing sangkot dito. At sa mga susunod na pagdinig, bibigay ko po lahat ng aking nalalaman. Wala din po akong sasantuhin gaya ng sinasabi ko noon pa. At Mr. President, I will never betray my principle. I will never, ever, Mr. President, destroy the name that was given to me by my parents, Mr. President, because it's priceless, Mr. President. The Bible says a good name should be chosen than great riches. Pinalaki po ako ng magulang ko na naniniwala ako sa langit at impyerno. Pinalaki po ako ng magulang ko na naniniwala ako that when you die here on earth, you will face your Creator and immediately into judgment. Pinalaki po ako ng magulang ko na sa impyerno, wala pong graduation. Kahit 1 bilyong taon, kahit 1 trilyong taon, pag ikaw ay nagkasala, pag ikaw ay pinarusahan ng Diyos, wala pong graduation doon. Mr. President, my duty has always been to serve our kababayans. Lalong-lalo na po ang mga kababayan kong Bulakenyo who suffer from flooding year after year. And that is where my focus remains, Mr. President. Finding real solutions, not engaging in black propaganda. Mr. President, I will not be distracted by lies. And instead, I affirm my commitment to the work that truly matters, serving our people with honesty and integrity. Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo.
Majority Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, also seeking the floor is our distinguished colleague from San Juan, Zambales, and the Republic of the Philippines, Northern Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. First of all, I would like to thank Senate President Pro Temp Senator Ping Lacson for allowing me to speak ahead of his privileged speech. Mr. President, I rise to repudiate the utterly false and baseless accusations made against me by Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez. Una sa lahat, wala akong tinanggap na anumang halaga mula sa mga flood control projects Gaya ng mga guni-guni nilang flood control projects, guni-guni rin ang sinasabi niyang 30% commitment ko raw. Para sa mga ordinaryo natin mga kababayan, ang mga binanggit ng mga proyekto ay nasa line items ng 2025 GAA or General Appropriations Act. Isang malaking kasinungalingan ang mga pinagsasabi niya para iugnay ang aking pangalan sa mga proyektong binanggit niya na nasa ilalim na ng 2025 GAA na sa isinagawang pandinig sa mababang kapulungan. Mr. President, these claims are not only malicious. They are blatant lies, clearly intended to mislead the public, besmirch my name again, and discredit my continued participation in the Senate hearing. I am not merely challenging Mr. Hernandez to take a lie detector test with me. I am demanding that he prove every single allegation he has made in a court of law. If he dares to stand by his claims, then he must back them up with solid, irrefutable evidence. No hearsay, no fabricated narratives, just facts. And let the truth come out once and for all. I will not allow this brazen attempt to smear my name to go unanswered. This will not pass quietly. Beyond the administrative and criminal liabilities he may face, I will ensure that Mr. Hernandez is held accountable for perjury and made to answer for his deliberate falsehoods before the proper judicial forum. Let this serve as a warning. Lies have consequences, and I will pursue every legal remedy to make sure justice is served. Thank you, Mr. President.